Sengso Chabangu, the controversial Secretary General of Citizen Coalition for Change, controversially skipped his own rally in Masvingo on Saturday. Chabangu, often seen as a figure with close ties to ZANU-PF, failed to attend the event at Muchekeho in Masvingo Urban, reportedly due to a disappointing turnout. Sanabina mashoko anobula nyoko panapa chonoti awa Chabangu anobanga his own rally, not was subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa mnamobula pamchinzi. His aides advised him against attending after assessing the situation, said a source familiar with the matter. This was supposed to be Chabangu's first provincial rally after they allegedly took over the party with the help of ZANU-PF. The rally, which was meant to galvanize support in Masvingo, a region considered to be a stronghold of C leader Emmerson Chamisa, was left in disarray after Chabangu's sudden change of plans. Masvingo is highly disappointed by Chabangu's failure to attend the provincial rally, a local observer commented. He knew that Masvingo is Chamisa's stronghold, but cancelled his visit at the last minute. I'm angry. The event, described as poorly organized, saw a mere 10 members of parliament and senators in attendance. Key figures included Chief Whip Nohlahla Mlochwa, Chief Whip of the National Assembly Charles Moyo, Senator Linda Zwada. Panapa ndo mashoko anobuda nyuko panapa chikonzi aiwa Chabangu anouya panapa achibhanga izi C rally noda kuti anoonekwa kunzi anoshare support local leaders panongonyasa kuona kuti unoatenda kwaangada kunoita this rally angatozonyara achionekwa kuti aiwa pamwe nangana munhu anomusapota kunyange zvavo vanhu vachizviziva chikwadi chiripo ngoti Masvingo aiwa ndiye anozonjamisa kuti unoatenda chekuchaiko anyasonauro angaitoko kana zita rake. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu, so no subscribe or like, and turn the bell icon.